Amaduuka igana n'agakingirweho bakama bago babire batine bahandiko ebiro kubikirizo kuguza emibazi
dushime Emmanuel
muri ebyo bikwekweto twatiremu eboxi 816 z'emibazi twaziha mu maduuka igana agabiri gatine license emibazi egi erabalirwamu miliyoni 15 n'emitwaro 6.
We may not have desks that handle specific cases of drugs, but when we get these cases, we refer them to the DHO and probably also refer to the Office of National Drug Authority to ensure that these cases are handled. We must know that life has no spare, and these drugs we use, if we are not certain where they are coming from, who is handling this drug, it is likely to affect the individual.
Aba bakoze ripotoro ku marebero bitano omuza district z'uru mucankwanzi Kiryandongo, Cyenjojo, Chukube, Hoima, Masindi hamwe no murembo rwa Hoima. Cyomukama yashobora ngo umuntu kutaheduka y'emibaza atine rusana hereza umutango gwa miliyoni 1 ningo ko mu mwaka gumwe nare byombi.
Turi interested kureba ngo twa improving abantu aba baraha service to the community, tuba guiding, tubatereze babaguze emibazi tutakatandikire kuba prosecuting.
If an outlet is illegal, we can't guarantee the quality of service people will get from such an outlet. We can't know whether the operator is qualified or not.
Cyomukama yarabara abantu kureka kuzanazana ro mu bintu ebikwatirine n'amagara g'abantu.
Abo abacyakora abacyaguze emibazi bateyine license ninga batari qualified batarabishomire barekera aho tutakijire kubakwata.
Emibazi kwasirwatirwa ha office za NDA ezuru kushangwa mu Hoima okusyobo bakama bayo barije kwikerezubwa gasha kwambrozo n'wagabakatoto.